Hi guys, welcome to my first video. Hi guys, welcome to my very first YouTube video. So if you ask me why I decided to kind of like make a YouTube channel, it's because I got super tired of doing nothing at home. So please watch! So this video is called What's Inside My Memory Box. I made this memory box like 4 years ago when I got super bored and I decided to like put all my stuff together. Things that my crushes have given to me, my friends, anything memorable. My writings, my poetry, my paintings and stuff. So here we go. The box is a bit heavy, but I'm gonna try. This is my memory box. Okay, so we're gonna get stuff in it and I'm gonna show you guys one by one. No, not everything I think, because it will take an hour, but I'm gonna show you some. Okay, so here we go. I have like a lot of diaries. I can remember this one's the old one, the oldest. It's full of writings related to One Direction, because I used to be a really huge fan of One Direction, and I still am. I haven't moved on yet. Moving on is hard. Hi guys, sorry dumating yung mom ko, but like, it's fine. I have a bunch of other stuff in here. This is the oldest thing that I've got here. LJ Casey. Casey is the name of my sister, while LJ is secret. Okay, so this was me before. I made this back in 2005 when I was 5 years old. Now I'm 18, so like, that was so many years ago. I have leaves here pa, back in 2005. I should sell this. And here were my classmates before. There. Jopet, Nicole, Meg France, Miguel, Hannah, Luigi, and a lot other people. So, ayun. Oh, look! These were candles from my 18th birthday. I have so much stuff here. This was the perfume that I used only when I was with my crush. Ganun. Like, gusto ko talaga, isa lang yung amoy ko pag kasama ko siya. So, actually, before we ended, I could remember him telling me na ma-miss niya daw yung amoy ko. Like, ang bango kasi nito, guys. It's Pure Paradise. I have this. It's like, oh, it was my birthday when Christopher and my best friend Myra like surprised me and put like stuff in it. Like, they wrote a lot of stuff. May tao sa labas. I had to cut the video because someone was saying tao po. I'm gonna read a few. I love you always and forever. My forever sabi ni Myra. Gonna look for more. There are lots of pictures here. Oh my gosh! ID ng crush ko dati. Hi Ralph. Remember? We're still friends though. Ito, mga class picture ko dati. So, saan ba ko dyan? Lady siya. There. Somewhere there. Those. Oh my gosh, that's me. This one. It's too many eh. Okay, so guys, wala na akong ibang mapakita sa inyo. And the video's, I think, too long. And, ayun. So, I hope you got... Ang boring! Ang boring! I'm so sorry. I don't know how to do this. This is my first video, so please do not judge me. Okay, so yun lang. Those were my stuff inside my memory box. There were actually, meron pa, pero ang dami kasi, masyadong madami pag inisa-isa ko pa lahat. So, those were some stuff from my memory box. And actually, hindi ko mahanap yung Biogesic na binigay sa akin ng crush ko before. Dalawa kasi binigay niya. So, yung isa ininom ko, syempre, para mawala yung sakit ng ulo ko. Pero isa tinago ko kasi like, oh my god, crush na crush ko talaga. Yun ang pogi niya. So, ayun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And mag-request to kayo sa akin ng videos because I don't know what to do with my life anymore. Bye! Ay! Basta parang ganun ba yun? Basta I don't even know how to end the video. So like, bye!